Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers. Cheap Savannah local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the moving services you need when you're moving 100 miles or more. If it's time to move to a new state or all the way across the country, you need the right movers to help. We provide many different moving services, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. The right local movers in Georgia make a big difference. Even though it might seem like you can handle it yourself, hiring movers is often well worth the cost. Not only will we save you time, but we also take care of all the heavy lifting. You won't have to worry about your things arriving securely either. When you choose to hire 3 movers, you will notice a streamlined moving process. We know how to pack up your things, load up the truck, transport your belongings, and unpack for you at your new home. If you want to get settled in faster and easier, we're ready to complete your move in just a few hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Savannah moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.